The global agritech market is valued at $24 billion in 2024, and it is projected to more than double and reach almost $49 billion by 2030. Most of this growth is being fueled by rising global food demand and the shortage of agricultural labor across multiple regions. Meanwhile, investors are pouring capital into new startups, and the major corporations are racing to integrate new technologies. From precision robotics that can eliminate weeds with pinpoint accuracy to drones that survey fields in minutes instead of days, farming is going through one of the most dramatic transformations in its history. In 2025, more than 400,000 agricultural drones are flying across fields in over 100 countries. These drones have already treated more than 500 million hectares of farmland, and their impact is changing how the world is able to grow food. DJI Agriculture began in 2015 as a dedicated division of the Chinese drone company, and its mission was to bring cutting-edge drone solutions to farmers who were facing labor shortages. With advanced spraying systems and smart controls, farming drones can fertilize large fields in a fraction of the time, plant seeds more precisely than ever before, and reach the crops that are out of range for ground machines. They're capable of carrying heavy loads of liquid or grain, adjusting spray patterns to match crop density, and navigating complex landscapes automatically. Beyond spraying and spreading, they can also map entire fields in 3D models, monitor crop health using sensors and cameras, and feed this information to farmers, which allows them to plan routes, track progress, and manage resources more efficiently. The results of these capabilities are striking. According to DJI Agriculture, drone technology has already helped save more than 222 million tons of water, reduced pesticide use by 47,000 tons, and cut carbon emissions by over 30 million tons of CO2. For farmers, this translates into lower costs, higher yields, and safer working conditions. In just 10 years, the company has grown into the world's largest supplier of agricultural drones, and it is powering a global improvement in the industry. By mid-2024, DJI Agriculture reported over 300,000 drones in operation, and it quickly climbed to 400,000 by the end of the year. These drones are now used by more than 10 million people across 100 countries, and they have led a significant transformation in the agricultural industry. Most farmers know that strawberries are one of the most labor-intensive crops that they can produce. They ripen unevenly on the same plant, and their soft texture means even a small squeeze can bruise them easily, which is why they've relied on careful handpicking for a long time. Agrobot's E-Series Strawberry Harvester is one of the world's first robotic system that is designed specifically for delicate fruit harvesting. The E-Series uses up to 24 robotic arms, which are each equipped with vision systems that analyze every strawberry before picking. The robots can determine the fruit's size and ripeness and select only the ones that meet quality standards. The real breakthrough lies in its AI-driven vision system, which allows every arm to work independently. That means multiple strawberries can be harvested simultaneously without damaging the fruit or the plant. Farmers can scale the number of arms depending on their field size or budget, and it's also electrically powered, which means it's more sustainable than fuel-based machines. By reducing dependence on seasonal labor, the E-Series helps stabilize production and allows farmers to keep up with consumer demand even during labor shortages. This four-legged robot was originally built for industrial inspections and even defense applications, but is now being tested on farms to help farmers around the world. Its ability to carry advanced sensors and autonomous navigation makes it an unexpected but powerful tool in agriculture. Spot's unique design gives it advantages over traditional wheeled equipment. It can move easily through mud, uneven terrain, and its modular body means it can be equipped with different tools such as cameras and sensors, and even robotic arms. In the UK, Spot has been fitted with high-resolution cameras and AI-powered image recognition to autonomously patrol the fruit gardens. The robot scans fruit trees for ripeness, pests, and diseases, and it helps farmers decide exactly where pesticides are needed. Instead of spraying entire fields, treatment can be applied only where it's required, which reduces the overall chemical use and supports the goal of carbon-neutral farming. In New Zealand, Spot has been deployed on sheep farms, where it herds livestock and transmits crop data to farmers so they can manage their land remotely. Although Spot is still in the testing phase, its ability to gather precise data and perform tasks that would otherwise require human labor shows its potential to reshape some of the traditional farming practices. In modern farming, weeds have become a billion-dollar problem that is affecting millions of farmers around the world. They reduce crop yields, increase labor costs, and force farmers to rely heavily on chemical herbicides. In the past 5 decades, herbicide-resistant weeds have surged from a handful of cases to over 500 unique instances worldwide, and they are forcing farmers to apply more chemicals each year. These chemicals can leave residues on crops that make their way into human body, where it has been proven that they can cause a variety of health problems. Among these concerns, the Seattle-based company Carbon Robotics has developed the Laserweeder, which is a robotic system that targets weeds with lasers, and it is offering a chemical-free alternative for sustainable crop management. Each beam is powerful enough to eliminate over 5,000 weeds per minute, and it is replacing the work of dozens of human laborers at the same time. It is equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced AI models which can identify weeds with sub-millimeter precision. Once they are detected, it burns them with powerful laser beams and targets their growth point to instantly burn them without touching the nearby plants. For farmers, this means they can save up to 80% in weeding costs, and because they no longer need to use harmful chemicals to remove the weeds, they can bring healthier crops to the market. Since its introduction in 2022 by Carbon Robotics, Laserweeder has been adopted by over 100 farmers across multiple countries, and it has been successfully revolutionizing the whole industry. The technologies we are seeing today are just the beginning of a much larger transformation in farming. Autonomous tractors and drones are projected to see the sharpest adoption, with the autonomous tractor market alone expected to grow by 25% before the end of the decade. Other than reducing dependency on human labor, these technologies are making farming more sustainable, and they are giving farmers the ability to grow more food by using fewer resources.